Our satellite. Protagonist of mythology in various cultures around the world. Our source of poetic inspiration. Object of worship and reverence. Moon. Some of the most interesting known and unknown aspects of our natural satellite. What will we discuss today? Far from mythology, poetry, and reverence, we will talk today, from its impact on the Earth's tides to its relationship with the Earth. Its history of meteorite impacts. We will learn something new together about our lunar neighbor, Earth's natural satellite, known as the Moon. Studied by adults and children. The Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei had the honor of studying it more than 400 years ago. Since then, records have been kept. This tells us that it has been studied by many scientists, astronauts, and amateur astronomers, who have discovered many interesting facts about the natural satellite. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth, one of the 5 largest satellites in the solar system. It is divided into 2 hemispheres, the visible hemisphere that faces Earth, and the hidden hemisphere that cannot be seen from Earth. It is much smaller than Earth, with a diameter of about 3,475 kilometers. That is, it is slightly smaller than the Asian continent. Its composition is formed mainly by rocks and minerals, including iron, silicon, magnesium, and calcium. Its atmosphere is very thin compared to Earth and is composed mainly of water vapor. In its atmosphere there are concentrations of dust particles. This dust is suspended in the air. It revolves around the Earth in an elliptical orbit. For this reason, its distance from land varies throughout the year. The average distance from the Moon to Earth is currently 384,400 kilometers. But I fear that its splendor will fade. It will no longer be in our heaven. It is estimated that one day we will lose it forever, according to the measurements carried out constantly. According to astronomers, this will be in a few million, since it gradually and slowly moves away from the Earth, about 3.8 centimeters per year. It is the only natural satellite that the Earth has. As we said at the beginning, it is the 5th largest satellite in the solar system. But it is the largest satellite relative to its host planet in the solar system. Our satellite has a significant impact on the Earth's tides. This is due to its influential gravity on our planet and the seas. Because it is so close to us, it is the most studied object in the sky after the Sun. It does not have its own magnetic field, so it can protect us from the charged particles of the solar wind. We always see a face, due to the timing of its rotation and its orbit around the Earth. There are a large number of craters on its surface. This is due to the many meteorite impacts it has suffered throughout its existence. Its atmosphere does not offer any resistance because it is extremely tenuous. It does not have the ability to deflect them. It doesn't even burn up most meteorites before they hit its surface. There have been around 120 space missions sent to study it, with landing missions on its surface. There is also a record of man's walks. It was the first successful mission of Apollo 11. It landed on the Moon on July 20th, 1969. It was NASA's space mission, which managed to take the first astronauts to the Moon. The Apollo 11 mission crew included Neil Armstrong, Edwin Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. The lunar module, called Eagle. Neil Armstrong became the first human to walk on the lunar surface, followed by Buzz Aldrin. And with this, a milestone opens for humanity. One big step over the moon for our satellite, our beautiful moon.